Glow stick dance party. Turn off the lights, grab some glow sticks, and create a fun, party-like atmosphere as you dance your way to fitness. 2. Laundry basket basketball. Toss socks into a laundry basket from various distances. Add squats or lunges each time you miss to turn it into a full-body workout. 3. Towel tug-of-war. Grab a towel and play tug-of-war with a partner or anchor it around a sturdy object. Great for building arm strength and core stability. 4. Cleaning workout blitz. Sweep, scrub, or vacuum with exaggerated movements. Turn mundane chores into a calorie-burning session. 5. Mirror dance-off. Compete with yourself by mimicking dance moves in a mirror. Record yourself to see who wins left foot or right foot. 6. Musical chair intervals. Arrange chairs in a circle and use them for step-ups, tricep dips, or as a dance prop. Rotate workouts as the music changes. 7. Rolling bottle push-up challenge. Place a rolling pin or bottle under your palms while doing push-ups. It's a fun twist that adds a balance challenge. 8. Soft skating. Put on socks and glide on a smooth floor while holding onto a sturdy surface for balance. Use leg extensions for a light cardio workout. 9. Pretend martial arts. Channel your inner ninja. Practice imaginary kicks, punches, and blocks while moving around for a high-energy session. 10. Video game fitness. Use fitness-based video games like Just Dance or Ring Fit Adventure for an interactive and fun workout experience. 11. Pillow fight workout. Have a playful pillow fight. It's surprisingly active and engages your arms, legs, and core while having a blast. 12. Obstacle course adventure. Use household items to create a mini obstacle course. Crawl under tables, leap over pillows, and balance on a rolled-up mat. 13. Superhero training. Pretend to be your favorite superhero by mimicking their moves. Think Spider-Man crawls or Superman planks. 14. Staircase shuffle. Use the stairs for cardio by running or walking up and down. Add arm movements like punches for extra engagement. 15. Yoga with a twist. Combine yoga poses with funny moves like wobbling or making silly faces during balance exercises to keep it lighthearted. 16. Follow the leader workout. Take turns with a partner leading workout moves. Follow their every move, from jumping jacks to quirky dance steps. 17. Pet workout playtime. Get your pet involved. Chase them around. Use their toes for stretching exercises or let them help with your planks. 18. Balloon bounce cardio. Keep a balloon from touching the ground using your hands, feet, or head. Add squats or jumps when the balloon drops. 19. Freeze workout game. Play music and perform workout moves. When the music stops, freeze in place until it resumes. 20. Charades with movement. Act out workout moves for others to guess. Think crab walk, jumping jacks, or yoga poses turned into fun clues. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.